So today we're going to be making banana pudding from scratch. The ingredients include 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cup if you like it really sweet. We also have 5 bananas, 5 egg yolks, and at the very end, once I take the pot off the stove, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. Do not use imitation, it makes a difference. Also, I always use vanilla wafers instead of the knockoff brands because that also makes a difference to me. I can taste the difference, I don't like it. Salt and the sugar. I mix it well so that there's no lumps and it'll be smoother once I pour it into the pot with the milk to blend it better. In this bowl, I'll be adding the 2 cups of milk and blend the eggs. So we're gonna add 2 cups of milk. So we're gonna whisk in the milk and the egg to go ahead and incorporate it. And this is where I make mine a little bit different than other people. A lot of people say you do this and then you do that and you heat that and you gotta temper. I found for me personally, because I don't use a double boiler, it's easier for me to put my pot on medium heat, pour everything into the pot together, whisk it to incorporate everything, then cut my heat on medium and bring it up to temperature that way. It never scorches, it doesn't burn, it's not lumpy, everything comes out perfect. We're putting everything into the pot, and I'm going to whisk it all together to incorporate. And make sure that I beat out the lumps before I even get started. Everything is well incorporated. Slowly bring it up to temperature. Just stay near it and continue to whisk every minute or so. Don't walk away from it. It's going to take a minute or two, actually a couple minutes, for the temperature to start coming up on this. So I'm not leaving the kitchen. I'm just going to go over to my bowl and start layering my first layer of cookies, and then I'll come back and whisk some more. What I want you to notice is, like I said in the beginning, when I add everything to the pot and stir it first, if you see the banana pudding, it's completely smooth. You don't see any lumps, you don't see humps of flour or anything. Everything is well incorporated. So as long as you continue to whisk ever so often, it's going to stay smooth. But make sure you keep your eye on it and do not put it above medium because it will scorch. You have to keep whisking it, keep it moving, and don't turn your eye too high. It may take a few minutes to start to thicken. Just be patient. If you cook it too high, it's going to burn. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes, and you can feel it to start. You can feel it starting to slowly thicken now. So now you really don't need to go far. It's a little bit thicker. So now we've taken it off the eye. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, this is just my personal preference. I add just a pinch of nutmeg. see how thick it is. And once you put it in the refrigerator to chill, it sets even thicker. That's why I stopped it at this consistency. So rich.